Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's talk about the role of AI in service level performance. AI isn't just fine-tuning the numbers, it's redefining the game. It optimizes performance in real time, helps sustain results over the long term, and even changes the way we measure success. In short, AI is no longer a support tool, it's one of the biggest influencers of service level in today's call centers. Now let's look at how AI transforms forecasting and workforce management. First, the role of AI. It predicts call, chat, social, and SMS volumes with far greater accuracy. It does this by combining historical trends with external factors like seasonality, marketing campaigns, even weather or unexpected outages. And it goes further, optimizing agent schedules and break allocations dynamically in real time. Next, the influence on service level. With sharper forecasts, AI reduces the risk of both understaffing and overstaffing. That means the right number of agents are always available, especially during peak demand. The result? Higher consistency in service level performance and a smoother experience for customers. Next, let's explore AI-powered routing and queuing. First, the role of AI. It enables skill-based and intent-based routing, using natural language processing to detect customer intent from IVR, chat, or even a social media post. It also prioritizes in real time, so VIPs, urgent cases, or compliance-sensitive queries are handled first. Now, the influence on service level. By reducing misroutes and unnecessary transfers, AI cuts down wait times, directly boosting service level. At the same time, it keeps queues balanced across agents and channels, ensuring smoother operations and a more consistent customer experience. Here's the role AI plays. Through chatbots, NLP-driven IVR, and self-service portals, it resolves routine queries instantly, without an agent. It also sends proactive notifications, like order status updates or outage alerts, to prevent unnecessary calls in the first place. And here's the influence on service level. By deflecting 20 to 40% of simple queries away from agents, AI reduces pressure on queues. That frees agents to focus on complex interactions, boosting service level consistency without the need for heavy staffing increases. Let's now explore AI-enhanced agent productivity. First, the role of AI. It provides real-time agent assist, offering suggested responses, knowledge-based snippets, and compliance prompts right on the screen. It also automates after-call work by generating call summaries, updating the CRM, and tagging disposition codes automatically. Now, the influence on service level. By shortening average handle time, agents become available sooner, directly lifting service level performance. At the same time, AI reduces repetitive workload, lowering agent fatigue and keeping productivity sustainable over the long term. Finally, let's look at AI in real-time monitoring and intervention. Here's the role. AI-powered dashboards instantly flag when service level is slipping below target. Predictive alerts can even forecast breaches, like warning that SL may drop in the next 15 minutes unless two more agents are added. And if thresholds are at risk, AI can auto-trigger overflow routing or callback offers. Now, the influence on service level. Instead of reacting after the breach, AI helps prevent it before it happens. This keeps SLA compliance intact, protects customer experience, and reduces costly penalties. Now let's examine AI in sentiment and customer journey analysis. First, the role. AI detects customer sentiment in real time, during interactions and across the full journey. It also correlates operational factors like wait times with satisfaction drops. Next, the influence on service level. Instead of setting arbitrary thresholds, leaders can adjust SL targets based on real customer experience impact. For example, if CSAT drops sharply after a 90-second wait, AI may recommend a tighter service level, like 80% of calls answered within 60 seconds. Finally, let's focus on AI for long-term strategic planning. Here's the role. AI runs powerful simulations and what-if models, testing different staffing levels, campaign scenarios, and service-level trade-offs. It also predicts the financial impact of improving service level, for example, weighing the extra cost of staffing against the churn revenue saved. And here's the influence on service level. Leaders can set smarter, data-driven SL targets, balancing cost, customer experience, and revenue, rather than relying on guesswork or industry averages. Here's the final takeaway. AI is transforming service level from a reactive metric into a proactive and predictive capability. Without AI, service level is managed through brute force staffing, expensive, unstable, and unsustainable. With AI, service level is achieved intelligently through smarter forecasting, advanced routing, self-service, real-time agent assist, and proactive interventions. The result? Higher customer experience, lower abandon rates, stronger financial ROI, and full SLA compliance. In short, AI doesn't just improve service level, it makes sustaining it realistic in today's multi-channel environment. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.